Adding a B2B quote flow to your store sounds like a project. With QuotWay, it's one guided setup. Most merchants are up and running in under 5 minutes. Here's the whole thing, start to finish. Install from the Shopify App Store, and you land in a 5-step wizard. Step 1. Targeting. QuotWay detects your setup, B2B, customer accounts, multi-currency, and seeds smart defaults. Every product, every customer. Keep them or narrow them down. Then save and continue. Step 2. Your quote form. Name, email, products, and quantities are already set up. Toggle on any extra fields you need, company, phone, purchase orders, with a live preview of what buyers will see. Step 3. The button. Set the label, pick a style, match your brand color, and decide whether to hide prices or the native cart buttons for quote-only selling. Step 4. Activation. 2 clicks in the theme editor. Enable the app embed, then add the quote button block. QuotWay verifies both against your live theme. When the badges turn green, you're live. No theme code, no developer. And that's it, you're set up. Open your storefront, give it a moment to refresh, and try the live quote button yourself. Your first test quote lands straight in the inbox. From then on, the dashboard keeps score, a setup checklist until every step is done, and a status card that rechecks your theme. So if anything ever gets switched off, you'll know. And every install starts a 14-day professional trial, so it's all unlocked while you explore. 5 steps. No code. Live today. QuotWay, B2B quotes and negotiation, built for Shopify. Install free, and take your first quote request before the coffee cools.